Can you see me?
No, no. Yes, yes. Yes, I can see you.
Okay, okay, yes, yes.
How are you? Hello. How
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
how are you? Good
Yes,
afternoon.
yes. Yes, good afternoon.
Okay, okay. So, where are you from?
Shukla Hasda, and I'm from India, official Jharkhand. And nowadays, I'm also uploading like conversation video on my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I can say that I'm a YouTuber. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading books, travel, swimming, and conversation English with the people. Yeah, it is my brief introduction. And I'm also so eager to know about you. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, why not? Why that's great. Your introduction. Giving, thanks for asking me about myself. So I am Irfan. I am from Pakistan, province Balochistan, district Nasirabad. Talking about my qualification, I have done 10th class. Currently, my education going on. So, talking about my profession, so I do work at a grocery shop together my elder brother. And talking about my learning. So I am learning from YouTube channels and I didn't take admission any academy. That's of all uh, my introduction.
Okay, okay. Very good. You told me that you are learning this language, speaking English after watching the videos on YouTube. So it is also good step nowadays because nowadays you will find lots of content over there on YouTube related to English spoken, and you can learn this language by watching on the YouTube. Yes, you are right. So please tell me that when did you start learning English? When did you start?
I have been started learning this language 1 month ago, but uh, 1 month. Few months ago, I watching the conversation movie and motivational movies, other types English movies. But 1 month ago, I started to speaking and learning this language. And I have been few days. I created my YouTube channel.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. You mean that you have been speaking English, I can say, for one, and
Okay.
finally you have created your YouTube channel for uploading like a conversation video. So have you uploaded any kinds of content on your YouTube channel or not? Did you start upload?
Yeah, yeah. Of course, I did upload. Yes, yes. I
Okay. Would you like to tell me your YouTube channel name?
So my YouTube channel names Learn English with IA Payar.
Okay. Nice, nice. Very good.
So what is your
Yes, yes.
YouTube channel?
Yes, yes. Actually, my YouTube channel name is Dehati English Wala. You know,
Yeah.
Dehati means who live in the village. Yeah, the villager people is called Dehati people, Hindi language. And I think that you understand a little bit Hindi.
Yeah, yeah. Of course. Why not? I can understand Hindi, but I don't read Hindi. I everything understand Hindi.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
So my YouTube channel name is Dehati English Wala. Means Dehati means who lives in the village area. That people is called like Dehati
Yes, yes.
people.
So,
And
of course.
I belong from a village area. That's why I named my YouTube channel Dehati English Wala.
Yes. So recently, you living in a village.
Yes, yes. We live in the village, and yes, yes. And this is my native place.
Okay, okay. So my education, my first class education in village. I studied in village and first class my education in city and first class my education in village.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
yes. And I could not make any conversation video, and I could not upload any kinds of content on my YouTube channel for last 2-3 days because I had some problem in my family. That's why I not upload kinds of content on my YouTube channel, and
Yes,
that video will be uploaded by me. Yeah.
yeah, same matters in my families. Say me, don't upload a video on YouTube channels. Why are you making videos, conversation videos? And in my families, say me, what are you doing? What are you saying? Leave it. You unable to speak English. What do you? What will you do? Learn English.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, yes.
So yes, yes, I can understand they have their own opinion, and you have desired to do this work, and you should do it, and you should not listen about any people that whatever they want to say
So,
about you,
so,
and
so
yes,
I
just
think,
you have to upload content.
yes, yes. I also do it. I also do it. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes. And when you will be,
I don't hear that conversation. I am continue my work.
yes, yes,
Okay. So,
and this is the rules of getting success.
okay, okay.
Yes,
So, what do you do?
yes, yes. If I talk about my life, that what nowadays I'm doing for a living, actually, we belong to formal family. That's why I have to work in the field. And apart from it, for income the money, for earning the money, I used to teach the students. I can say that I have a coaching center in my village. Yeah,
So,
nowadays I have about 50 students, and nowadays I'm teaching them, and it is my
okay,
occupation for earning the money. And apart from it, I can say that I have a
okay, okay. So, I
yes.
think you are teacher.
Yes, yes, but not government teacher. Actually, I have a coaching center, and yes, you can say that.
Yes, yes. So, I am a student. You will teach me.
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay, okay. So that's great. Your conversation is very well, and you are speaking English is very well. So I think you are speaking English more than best to me. So I am learner.
Yes, 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 yes. But I can say that you told me that you have been speaking English for 1 month, and within 1 month, it is unbelievable and it is amazing speaking. Yeah, and you are speaking very well. Within 1 month, it is not an easy work to speak English within 1 month, and you are speaking well within 1 month. So I want to also know about it that what have you done for learning this language within 1 month? That now you are speaking fluently the English within 1 month. So what kind of method have you applied within 1 month?
So thing is that I watch recording movies and motivational movies, and I don't watch other movies. So my attention in speaking English. This reasons I am speaking and I am try to speak. This reason I can speak and I don't watch other movies and I don't do other works. My all attention in speaking English, but some I make a mistake. So so I am
Yes, yes.
working in speaking English, and currently I don't teach other subject, other lessons. I am speaking English, so I am doing work speaking English, and I lift other work.
Okay, okay. You mean that nowadays you are only learning this language, and you are only
Yes,
doing
yes.
for speaking English. And you told me that you have been learning English for watching content, English content. Only English content you
Right,
are
right,
watching on the YouTube.
right, right. By watching, by speaking.
Yes, 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 yes. You are doing great work. That I know that, and there are lots of people who are English speaker and they are native speaker from American English speaker like British English speaker. They suggested that
Yes,
if you want to learn any kind of language, you have to try to listen. Listening is the most powerful thing to learn any kind of language. Yes, and you are doing such a great work, I can say. After listening, you have informed, you have reformed yourself very much.
Yes,
That's why
yes.
you are speaking well.
Right, right. But he don't speak. He unable to speak. I don't know grammar rules. I know little grammar rules. Like
Yes, yes.
tense, little passive, little other rules, little modal verb.
Yes, yes, you are right. So I think that there are lots of people, and there are lots of people who wanted to learn this language. But I can say that they have lots of knowledge regarding to English grammar. Yeah, they can understand everything, whatever we are talking in the video. After watching the video, they can understand everything, whatever they are watching. Yeah, because they have the knowledge of grammar, grammatically knowledge he has. Yeah, but when it's come to speak English in front of the people, yeah, when they try to speak English, they cannot speak English. They will get stuck. The reason is that they are not doing practicing, and then they don't try to speak the English. Yeah, it is said that if you want to learn the swimming, you have to jump in the water like that. Like that, if you
Right,
want
right.
to speak English, you have to speak. You have try to speak. You should try to speak. Yeah, whatever, whenever you will not try to speak, you cannot speak the English. Only you will have that time of English knowledge in your mind because you have studied grammar rules, but you did not start talking. That's why
Yes,
they are not to speak the English. Yeah, I think.
yes, yes. So you do you know one teacher names English is Chandan?
Yes, yes. I think that I have seen the video. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
English with Chandan. So I watched that movies, and he teacher is best teacher in India, in Indian country, right? And I watch that movies. I am speaking whatever I am speaking. I have learned that channel, the English with Chandan. So English with Chandan is best teachers, and he say whenever you speak English, so you know speaking English. Whenever you not to you don't to speak, so you every day you will think how to speak people, and how will I speak English is very difficult. So I think when you try to speak, automatically you know speaking English.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, you are right. You are right. Yes, yes. So, brother, how is the weather in the Pakistan right now?
So right now weather is very hot. So today in recently have been 2 day very hot weathers. Now weather is very hot, but a few day ago was rain here, and weather is very well. But recently weather is very hot.
Okay, okay.
And
So,
your
brother,
country?
yes, yes. So, brother, I'm saying talk to more than 15 minutes, and I wanna upload this video on my YouTube channel. So, what do you want to say? Will I upload it?
Okay. You can upload this video.
Okay, okay. So, thank you
Okay.
for connecting with me.
Okay.
Thank you for
Thank
giving me
you,
this
thank
valuable
you,
precious time.
thank you for connecting me. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Yeah, it's my pleasure. Okay, bye.
Thanks.